The U.S. military is working to use microorganisms in combination with construction materials such as concrete to create self-healing structures. Buildings can heal themselves before cracks spread or roads ice. Concrete that self-fills bomb craters to allow aircraft to continue taking off and landing is being researched and produced by the U.S. military. The Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, part of the U.S. Department of Defense, is implementing a project to produce self-healing concrete for use in military facilities. In literature and movies, concrete is often portrayed as the antithesis of life. However, the Project Concrete Buildings Rehabilitation Program, BRACE, actually incorporates biological organisms to create living systems. Vascular system inside concrete. The BRACE project is expected to last for 0.5 years, involving many laboratories and military contractors with different approaches to developing technology production. This circulatory system can heal cracks from the inside before they reach the surface of a structure, allowing concrete to heal like living organisms. It can also be used to diagnose why concrete is deteriorating. BRACE's central hypothesis is that concrete can be infused with the self-repairing abilities commonly found in living organisms, inspired by the human vascular system, and the vast networks of filamentous fungi that can spread over large areas similar to buildings, DARPA said in a press release. Such systems could provide a healing transport network within the material to repair stains, cracks before they reach the surface and cause damage. Scientists will test several biological methods inspired by fungi and bacteria, Matthew Pava, a program manager in DARPA's Office of Biotechnology, told Popular Mechanics. In addition, the method's enzyme-based approaches and ceramic materials were also considered. The ultimate goal is to get BRACE into the cracks and voids of old concrete to initiate repair, then maintain its presence, to heal additional cracks that appear over time. Concrete is a challenging biological environment. Pava says it is highly alkaline, like a drain cleaner, and has very few organic compounds, such as proteins, to sustain life. On the other hand, concrete also has its own unique microflora. Although it is still too early to confirm whether the new type of concrete can be used in combat zones, strategically, DARPA said, large structures such as missile silos, bridges, naval ships, or tactical roads will be applied new technology. The BRACE project is expected to last for 4.5 years, involving many laboratories and military contractors with different approaches to developing new concrete production technology.